What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Forex Daddies. I'm just fine. So today is day 15, which is the half of the month, right? And so far we have generated 4,165.01, right? So we go and check the history from July 3rd, right, to July the 4th. How much have we generated? So on this day, we generated 554.74 runs, right? Making a total of, let's see, from June 19th. So making a total of 4,386.35 runs in 15 days. Should I say less than 15 days? Anyway, if you're not following me yet, ensure that you follow me so that you are updated on this challenge.